Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Muhammad Present Assessment. Title of presentation is multilingual humor. This session focus on how to of multiple language stand up serve as a powerful tool for humor and identity expression. This episode study of what switch stand up research explore how Noah uses language to connect diverse audience. Next, we'll second the multilingual humor has become a significant phenomenon in global comedy, with comedians like Trevor Noah exemplifying how language can transcend cultural linguistic barriers. Noah's ability to seamlessly switch between languages allow him to connect with diverse audiences and explore his multicultural identity. This presentation focuses on how I analyzing Noah Netflix special Afraid of the Dark to understand how his code switch enhance humor and reflect his personal and cultural. Let's move on to the next slide. Its research objective. This research aims to achieve three main objectives. The first one is analyze Trevor Noah's use of code switching in his comedy. This involves examining specific instances in Afraid of the Dark where Noah shifts between languages to enhance his jokes. The second is understand how multilingualism shapes humor and identity. By focusing on the interactions and the study explores how Noah's linguistic choice reflect his cultural experience, also his cultural background. The third is explore the cultural significance of multilingual humor. This research highlights how comedy can serve as a medium for breaking down cultural barriers and promoting inclusivity. This objective provides us a structured approach to understanding how Noah multilingual humor resonates with audience globally. Next, theoretical framework. The theoretical foundation of this study derives from two key concepts: code switching theory. According to Myers Scatton, 1993, switching is not random but strategic. Speakers switch language to meaning, convey identity, or emphasize idea. In comedy, this can be used to highlight cultural nuance or punchlines. Second is humor theory. This theory examines the mechanics of humor, particularly the idea that humor arises when there is a mismatch between expectation and reality. Cultural context also plays a significant role in how jokes are received. Together, these theories provide a lens through which to analyze Trevor Noah's performance. They help explain how language choice contribute to the humor and cultural depth of his storytelling. Next, source. The data for this research comes from Trevor Noah's Netflix special Afraid of the Dark. Stand-up comedy is a rich source for studying conversation and identity because it is inherently interactive and relies on personal anecdotes. In Afraid of the Dark, Noah delves his multiple experience, weaving in multiple languages like English, Americans, and French. The special is particularly suitable for analysis because it showcases his ability to navigate between cultural worlds, making it an excellent study for exploring multilingual humor. The analysis focuses on key scenes. Language plays a central role, delivering jokes and conveying deeper meanings. By examining those elements, we can uncover how Noah linguistic strategies enhance his performance. Next is research methodology. The study adopts qualitative research approach is well suited for a wins of language. And the methodology, three steps. First, data collection. This includes observing, describing key segment of part of the drug to identify instance of code switch. Second, analysis. The transcription are analyzed to understand how code switch contributes to humor and reflects identity. Third, interpretation. Findings are contextualized within the broader framework of studies, and the focus in is on how Trevor Noah's linguistic choice shape his comedic style or connect with his audience by using qualitative methods. The study provides an in-depth understanding of the relation of language, humor, and identity. Slide finding code switch. One of the key findings is that Trevor Noah used code to fit his audience and his comedy relatable. For example, he switched to Afrikaans during story to emphasize cultural nuance that resonate with South African audience, still being accessible to global audience. This linguistic shift only adds complexity to storytelling, helps cultural gaps by switching language. Noah creates humor that feels personal, it's inclusive, drawing on shared cultural experience to connect with his audience. Next, finding humor and identity. Another significant finding is that multilingual humor reflects Trevor Noah's global identity. His ability to interpret multiple languages to showcase his multicultural background and linguistic. Examples of this is his use of French during Ars anecdote by imitating French accents and cultural stereotypes. Noah highlights the incongruities between culture and humor that is both insightful and stereotypical. This multilingual approach allows Noah to amplify the relatability of accessible to audience from diverse cultural backgrounds. Okay, we will continue this finding culture. For Noah, use of language often reveals shared cultural experience and step instance. His imitation of accents create linguistic hierarchies from the audience to reflect on yes. By embedding this creativity in humor, Noah fosters a deeper understanding of his comedy not only but also educate, encouraging an audience to understand and multicultural experience. So, to this slide, this conclusion, bilingual humor reflects to world connect identity expression. Trevor Noah hence his complex, showing his multicultural. This research highlights the importance of exploring modern cultural dynamics is like we gain valuable insight, humor, and globalized. Okay, this is how express insight, how stand up and plus uh feel switch a it for my present